Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. I hope everyone's had the opportunity to see the video where I compared the Professional Precision Adjust Sharpener against the Precision Adjust from WorkSharp. Today I want to demonstrate it on the small table here. Swiss Army knife, factory edge. We're just going to see what it will do and see if I can make it better. I've got a little pea, blueberry, a tomato, and a grape. We'll zoom in, we'll cut these, we'll see how that looks, and then we'll proceed with the sharpening. I checked this prior to this video, and this is roughly 18 degrees. Let's see if this little blade will slice these. Slice that pea pretty good. The grape, tomato, and the blueberry. Slice these nice. I believe I can make it sharper with the WorkSharp. Now let's set this to the side. Now I hope everyone can see. If you notice, I've got my Streamlight headlight on. Makes it much easier to see, and I have a mirror so you can see the bottom of the blade. I have an 800 grit stone on here. It's factory edge, so it shouldn't need a whole lot. I'll move this around. On this little table, you can fine tune it. I like to set it right here. And with the light, you can see exactly what you're getting. That way you don't go too far over the edge. I believe it's getting up there just what I want. Let's make a few more strokes on here. Now we'll flip it over to this side. And always keep it in the same reference point. That way everything's even. Now we'll go back to this side a little bit. Do a little more fine tuning over here. And hold this just as perfectly still as you can. Let the stones do the work. You just guiding it. No pressure. To me, this little attachment was one of the best upgrades they made. Make a couple more passes and we'll see what we can do with a straw. And the Swiss Army knives have a good edge from the factory, but you can always do better. Now we're going to change it over and put a strop on it. And it's always easier if you do it and put it on from the top. That way you don't have to look up underneath to try to see what you're doing. And as always on the strop, you only go one direction. Now we'll do one more time on each side. I think we're going to have something. And I believe this should be zoomed in enough where everyone can see exactly what I'm doing. Well, pea went well. Let's see what we can do on this blueberry. I think that looks good. We'll try this tomato and the grape. Then we'll have a few final words. I believe you can tell this is thin. Now we'll do this grape. Yeah, I like the way that looks. Now I believe everyone can see this works great with this little knife attachment. There will be a demonstration video with the regular attachment on it before long. I'm running a little behind on this one, but I did want to show everyone the features on this. And this little angle finder, perfect, because your different size blades, it's going to be different. And I do recommend getting you a little headlight. This one came from Streamlight. It's rechargeable, USB. I like it. And I'll give you one little tip on your diamond plates. When you get through, brush them off. And if they get too bad, all you got to do is take a little art eraser. You can see that's taking it off. Go to the WorkSharp website. I really like this product. I'm going to have a special for too long. I've got a new knife from Lander coming up. I'm going to have that soon, and when it gets dull enough, we're going to sharpen it on this Professional Precision Adjust. But it might be a little bit. It's extremely sharp. Till next time, the Bearded Sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then.